Introduce highlight features or overview summary for YITAHOME 20oz mug press machine, 2-in-1 tumbler heat press, 30 oz cup DIY hot press. With 2 detachable transfer sublimation mats 11 to 15 ounces, 15 to 30 ounces. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: excellent mug printer. Design with 2 detachable transfer sublimation mats. Choose a more fitting mat according to the size of your cup to make an exclusive cup with your personality. Wide application. From ceramic to glass, stainless steel, and beyond, our 530-watt heat press machine can handle it all. Accommodating 11 to 20 ounces cups, tumblers, mugs, and more, there's no limit to what you can create. Fast and even heating. Compared with other press machine, YITAHOME tumbler heat press built with NTC real-time temperature sensors reduces heating time to enhance productivity and ensures even transfer. Safety first. No need to worry about leaving the machine on. This heat press will automatically shut down after 30 minutes of inactivity. The emergent stop or restart function adds an extra layer of protection. Easy to use. Integrated design includes 4 buttons, with clear and concise operation for convenience. The lever theory-based anti-slip handle is more efficient and safer. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.